All right, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean, Harmony of the Seas. Starting here to show you kind of where we're at from the elevator, about where that green sign is, the second green sign down there. One of the nice things about these older ships, I'll show you some of these signs here in the hallway. They have like some old movie signs here, and here's another one right here. That one of the nice things about some of the older ships, they have a lot more memorabilia, neat artwork on the walls. But one of the rooms we have this week is a unique room also, forward-facing Ocean View room. So it's in the very forward part, or the front part of the ship, deck 6. It's gonna be room 6204. As you're in the room, I'll show you on the map here the location. So it is right here, and like I said, here's the elevators here. We're right here where the red dot is. So really unique room. These forward-facing rooms are some newer rooms when they did a refurb of the ship. But as I mentioned, you have a ocean view looking forward, and it looks out over the helipad. You'll see that here in a second when I get to the that portion of the room. All right, as you walk in, you have here on the right, you have your light switch here on the right, your main light switch, next to the closet. In the closet, you do have some hangers here, main hanging area here, and then you can add some additional hanging right here. And then you have your shelving right here, and some storage on the floor, and then some storage up top here. And then across from the closet, you have a switch here for the restroom, a couple hanging hooks here, and then you have your restroom, bathroom here. It's got the, I call it the capsule doors, the sliding doors to the curtains, so makes it nice to close those. And when you're taking a shower, so the water doesn't come out into the floorway. And then you also have the soap dispenser on the wall. And then you have your toilet, some towels, and your vanity area. And then you have your mirror, and a couple mirrors on the sides here. Nice feature here, a lot of people know about. Behind this mirror is some shelves for some additional storage. So as we enter into the stateroom on the right hand side, you have your desk area and some drawers on each side. You have a smaller drawer and 3 larger drawers on each side. Same thing mirrored on this side. And then your desk drawer here. Little storage area right up here. You do have 2 American style plug-ins. I'm guessing I should have a European over here. Yes, European over here. And your announcements volume level here. And then you have a switch here for the lighting. So you can turn the lighting on to the desk area. And once again, some storage area on each side of the mirrors here. These mirrors open up so you can store additional items in here. All right, and then next to this desk here is your thermostat for the room, right here. As we come further into the room, on the left-hand side, you have a full-length mirror here on the corner by the bathroom. A love seat area right here. And then next to the drawers here, you have a refrigerator / cooler. Some of them get cooler than others. This one's, it's not that bad. It could be cooler. Then above that is your TV that should swivel out. Yeah, it does. And then right above that is normally your safe, where the safe is. And then there's a couple other storage shelves right here above that. All right, next to coming on in, we have the beds separated in this room. You can have those pushed together. You can request that before you board. So when you board, they're already pushed together. And on each side of each bed is a nightstand with a drawer in it. This side has the telephone on it. The other side does not have the telephone on it. And each bed has a couple lights here where you can turn them on. It's got the spotlight and then also the lamp light. So each side has that. And then this nice feature here is if you have the lights on in the room, you can push this once you get in bed, and then it'll turn off your lights. So you can see it come in bed and then turn them on off from there. Or if you have to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, you can turn the lights on if you need to. Another quick tip we do is our larger suitcases, we slide underneath the bed. There's always a lot of storage underneath here. So a lot of room there to slide your suitcases, keep them out of the way once you unpack. Like I said, here's another nightstand on the end here. Actually, you have some storage area right there too. This wall is angled, but one of the cool features, like I said, about this room is it's not just a standard ocean view, but you actually get to see out forward from the ship. You see the helipad there. That's actually down there, one of the crew break areas down there. We're in the port of Los Angeles and going out of California. And another neat thing too is when you get off the ship, you have the USS Iowa. It's been decommissioned here, and you can actually do tours of the ship. So we plan on doing that when we get off the ship. So swing on around here, give you one more view of the room as a whole. Take this time right now to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Don't want to miss any of our future content, all related to cruising. And also, if you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Comment down below if you've been on ship, if you've had this room. Let me know what you thought about this room. I can tell you right now, it is warm right here with that sun beating down, so that may be one of the downfalls to this. I'm not sure. We'll find out this week. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Here's a view of the forward-facing ocean view while we're at sea.